Understanding your numbers is part of poultry business. Watch this video.
Don't let off-takers cheat you. Know your dressing percentage. Many farmers lose money because they don't understand dressing percentage. Some off-takers will buy your birds alive, slaughter them, and give you a low-dressed weight. If you don't know the correct dressing percentage, you may think they are fair, but they are chopping your profit silently. What is dressing percentage? It is the percentage of the live weight of a bird that remains as meat after removing feathers, blood, head, shank, and internal organs. Knowing this helps you calculate your true gain and detect when someone is trying to cheat you.
Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss any update.
Simple formula: dressing percentage equals carcass weight divided by live weight multiplied by 100. Carcass weight equals the weight after slaughter and removing internal organs. Live weight equals the weight before slaughter. For example, a broiler weighs 3 kilograms before slaughter. After dressing, the carcass weighs 2.1 kilograms. Dressing percentage equals 2.1 divided by 3 multiplied by 100 equals 70%. This means you are getting 70% meat. Average dressing percentages: broilers 68 to 75%, noilers and cockerels 60 to 65%, old layers 55 to 60%. Factors that affect dressing percentage: breed of the bird, quality of feed, age when slaughtered, level of fat in the bird, processing method. If your percentage is too low, something may be wrong with your feeding or management. But if it is within normal range and someone claims the meat is lower, you should question it. Your labor must not go to waste. Raise your birds with knowledge and protect your profit with understanding. To learn how to achieve bigger birds and better meat yield, get my ebook, Rapid Broiler Growth.
For inquiries and orders, WhatsApp 0706 907 4379.
No dream too big, no wonder lifts, no wonder digs, low.